Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Shimaira Anjay Dagi and I'm here to discuss the section 84, 85 and 86. So, the section 84, Administrative Discipline, Investigation and Adjudication of Administrative Complaints against appointed local officials and employees, as well as their suspension and removal, shall be in accordance with the Civil Service Law and rules and other pertinent laws. The results of such administrative investigations shall be reported to the Civil Service Commission. Section 85. Local chief executive can suspend subordinate officials or employees for up to 60 days pending investigation if charges involve dishonesty, oppression, or grave misconduct. After suspension, the suspended official or employee is reinstated without prejudice to administrative proceedings until termination. Delays due to the respondent's fault or request are not counted in the suspension period. So the last one is the section 86. Administrative investigations in local government units can be conducted by authorized individuals or committees. These investigations involve hearings against appointed officials and employees and are submitted to the chief executive within 15 days with decisions within 90 days. So that's all. Thank you.